In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom text in Canva. Adding clear, well-placed text is what turns a design into a message, and Canva makes it simple once you know where to look and what each option does. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the text tools and how to choose the approach that best fits your project. Start by opening your project. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and find the text section. That's your home base for everything related to adding words to your design. Click it, and you'll see a few straightforward ways to place text on your canvas. The quickest option is to use the default text styles: heading, subheading, and body text. Think of these like building blocks. The heading style is perfect for titles and bold statements that need to stand out. Subheading is great for supportive lines that add context or details without competing with the main title. Body text is designed for longer paragraphs, captions, or descriptions. These presets give you a clean starting point and help keep your design consistent because each style is sized and spaced with readability in mind. If you want a more designed look right away, explore the selection Canva offers inside the text section. You'll find curated text combinations and layouts that pair fonts, sizes, and placement in a polished way. These are ideal when you want personality and a professional aesthetic without guessing which fonts go together. They're particularly useful for posters, social posts, and event graphics where style matters as much as the words. Choose a combination that matches your vibe, and you'll have a strong foundation instantly. Prefer complete control from the outset? Click. Add a text box above to start fresh. This gives you a clean, unstyled text layer, a blank slate you can shape to match your brand or the exact tone you're going for. It's great when you already have a clear vision or specific guidelines you need to follow. As you decide which route to take, think about the purpose of your message. A short, punchy headline often works best with the heading style. If you need structure, pairing a heading with a subheading and body text creates a readable hierarchy. For a unique, on-brand feel, a curated combination can save time while still looking intentional. And when you need full creative freedom, the blank text box is the way to go. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to text on the left, pick a default style, choose a curated design, or add a fresh text box. Simple, flexible, and ready for your message.